Hi everyone, my name is Miranda Armstrong with SEET 5356. Today I'm going to be talking about culturally responsive classroom. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to talk about what the definition of it is. What is the technical definition here? The technical definition is culturally responsive teaching is a student-centered approach to education. It is based on an idea that every student brings unique cultural strengths to the classroom. Recognizing and nurturing those strengths not only encourages success, but also promotes an open-minded, supportive environment that celebrates cultural differences. That's a lot of words, a lot of big words, and sometimes that doesn't really make sense. So I'm going to break that down for us here. So I pulled out some things and I highlighted it. So the first thing is, well, this classroom is focused solely on students, okay? It's not what the teacher wants, it's not what admin wants, it's not what your parents want, it's what the students need in order to be successful, okay? Then the next thing it says, every student brings unique cultural strengths, okay? Each and every one of you is unique and brings something different to our classroom community. Okay, whether you ride the bus to school or ride in a car, you're different. Okay, and that brings a different perspective into our classroom that we want to hear. Okay, the next thing is nurturing those strengths. My job as your teacher is to encourage you to share your differences, embrace your uniquenesses, while also connecting with your peers on what you have been the same. But then you can also connect with them and you can teach them about your differences. Well, I make this type of dinner at home because that's my culture. And you can encourage them and teach them about different things about your life, which is an amazing way to be connected with other people. Okay. Open-minded. Okay. The reason why I am trying to have this type of classroom is to promote awareness of other people and to encourage everyone to be open-minded with different ideas, different opinions, and just different ways of thinking. Okay, that's really going to make our classroom more talkative. We can share different ideas, we can learn from each other, and it just makes us all more united. Okay. So I'm going to give us 3 examples, okay? So this first picture is equality versus equity, okay? You'll see that in the first picture here, they're watching a baseball game and everybody has one box to stand on, okay? It's all equal. Everybody has the exact same thing, okay? People a lot of times say that everybody deserves the exact same playing field. Well, if everybody got the exact same box here, is everybody able to see and be successful? No. So equity, okay, means that everybody gets what they need to be successful. This man right here didn't need a box in order to be successful and to see the game. This guy, yeah, he still needed a box because it would just be helpful. But this guy needed 2 boxes in order to be able to see. This little guy in this picture was not feeling successful. He was not happy. He probably just wanted to leave the game. These 2, they got to see. But now everybody can enjoy, everybody can learn about baseball, everybody can be included. And that's what's important. Our second example here is everybody learns very differently. Some of you just need a video and you're great, you can see it, you can read it, you're good to go. Some of you are very auditory. You need to hear it in order to be successful. You like to hear the music. You like to maybe have it read to you, okay, in order to be successful. Some people are very kinesthetic, which means you're very hands-on. You like to touch it. You like to get involved with it. Okay, everybody has a different learning style, and it doesn't always work the same way as other people. So in a culturally responsive classroom, I want to make sure that I've provided all of this for you so that you can pick and choose what you are successful with. Okay, and then maybe you can present something in different ways so that other people can learn from you. My third example of culturally responsive is that not everybody's going to the same end game, okay? Some of you, after school, you're going to go right to the workplace and you're going to be successful in a workplace. Some of you are going to go into an apprenticeship and you're going to learn from somebody else and you're going to be guided in a different direction. Some of you are going to go to university and college. Some of you might even go further past college and continue. Some of you might go into community living and you already have your skill set, okay? But whatever it is you're going into, I'm going to try to make sure that I have set the standards for you to be successful in those careers, and that you go out into the world and you are just as open-minded as you are in this classroom, and you can communicate with your peers out in the workplace, okay? Culturally responsive, the whole reason why I'm doing this is so that we can communicate better, we can share better, and we can learn from each other, okay? So please keep this in mind. And if I'm ever not representing you, if I'm ever maybe did something wrong or shared your culture a little bit incorrectly or something like that, please tell me. I also need to learn. I need to be open-minded, and I want you to share that with me as well. So please keep that in mind, okay?